Happy Giving Day. My name is Annalie Johnson. I'm a sophomore in Metallurgical Engineering in the College of Science. I'm so grateful for you alumni and donors like you who provide financial support to me and my classmates each year. I received the Access Starfish Award last year, and I was able to conduct research in a lab. Giving Day donors help students like me achieve our academic goals and accelerate our career training and education in the STEM disciplines like metallurgical engineering. Every gift makes a difference. As an incentive, some alumni, faculty, and staff have pledged matching funds and challenge grants to expand the impact of your gift. By donating today, you're investing in the future. Our goal this year is to raise $25,000 for metallurgical engineering students. Please chip in. Thank you for your support.